Okay, I'm back. This is one of my favorite, hey guys, I'm back here. This is one of my favorite little parks here. Actually, it's one of my favorite, I mean, it's got some nice pull-up sections. It's along the river going west, right? We're on the river that divides the town going west, but it's got a shower. That's what I love. This is my favorite outdoor shower right here. And I'm gonna get in it. Oh, spider web up there too. I'm gonna get in the shower and see what happens. You can watch too. Oh yeah, huh? How about that? So this is good. This is, it's like 90, yesterday it was 90, 88 to 94. Today it's supposed to get up to 97. So I was gonna go down to Zilker Park and go in the stream. Just, you know, dive in the stream. Still might do that, but this shower is awesome. It's on the way. So for you at home, take your own shower. Now this is totally using the facilities, the resources in your area. Man, this is great. This is so great. I don't know what to say. That's how we roll, man. Now I'm nice and warm. Gonna get a tan. Roll on. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.